Hello, my name is Calvin Shaw. I am the Program Chair for Criminal Justice and Paralegal Technologies here at Gaston College. I would like to briefly introduce you to both of those programs. In the Criminal Justice program, we have two distinct fields of study, the first one being criminal justice and the second one being forensic science. In criminal justice, you'll study a wide variety of topics from homeland security to intro to criminal justice and investigative principles. In forensic science, we concentrate on the collection of forensic evidence and processing of crime scenes. We also have a paralegal program. The paralegal program is fully accredited by North Carolina Bar Association. Here, we train students how to become assistants in law offices and work with attorneys. Whether it's paralegal or criminal justice or forensic science, if this interests you, we look forward to talking to you. All of our programs are taught by well-qualified professionals, people who've actually worked in the field, either as police officers or as attorneys or worked in law offices. They have real-life experience. That experience coming straight to you in the classroom. I look forward to hearing from you and contacting you, or you'd contact me. I'd love to talk to you about any of these programs. Feel free to get in touch with me at your convenience. Thank you, and I appreciate your time.